what's up? What is happening? Welcome back to Bharat 91, the Indian Fun Stories podcast with Ashish Satpathy, where we bring you exciting stories of various entrepreneurs all across India. The how, the why, the when, and the where they started from the founders themselves. Today's episode, we have Miss Kanika talking about Tatva Handmade Organics. Today's episode is sponsored by EasyCart. Start selling online today with your e-commerce store and a free Android app. Offer valid for a limited amount of time, so I suggest you hurry up. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Bharat 91, the Indian Founder Stories. This is Ashish, and please do introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your company.
Okay, so my company is related to handmade organics and sorry?
Okay, alright. Please go on.
And we used to make handmade products like we have started from soaps, and right now we haven't gone. We have decided for Amazon, like to go for Amazon to sell our products on Amazon, but somehow due to lockdown and all things, I couldn't able to continue with that. But yeah, we do have the products right now.
Okay, now when we're talking about handmade products, what exactly are we talking about? Soaps, we're talking about gels, we're talking about, organic products?
We have started from soaps,
okay,
and they are wholly organic. Like we are adding stuff like neem, tulsi. Like we have 12 types of flavors in our soaps, and like I'm telling you about one soap. So we use natural ingredients like essential oils and like neem, tulsi. So it's related to that. That's why they are organic.
Okay, and let me a little bit understand about how the process exactly works. So when we talk about organic products, and all the research and everything is done by you, or do you have any help?
First, we have started, but now I have some laborers under me, and I used to look after them.
And how long has this been happening?
It's from around last year September.
Last year September. So I think around just when lockdown happened, I think you started your company.
Yeah.
Okay. And so obviously since lockdown happened and you started your company, this must be exclusively online based, right? It didn't have any offline market at all.
Yeah. The thing is, we have started from... Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have started from selling it on retail base. Okay. But after then we decided to have a license, government license. But we are waiting for license, and license takes a bit long. So that's why we are right now at hold.
Okay, so but still you are managing to put your products out there and sell your products. So when a customer comes to you regarding, okay, I have certain kind of skin problem, this is the type of skin that I have, do you suggest them a particular product that is available?
Yeah, I suggest them according to their skin. Like if person is having acne prone skin, then I suggest them according to that.
And when we look at suggestions, do you also take in consideration the diet the person follows? How important is diet regarding skincare and your body?
Diet is really important, but I do not suggest according to that, because I just suggest it according to my product. And also this is what obvious, if we eat a lot of oil, then it may lead to pimples and all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so please do tell us about the best. Okay, let's just understand about the best selling product that you have on the market and tell us why and how it is unique from the other products available in the market.
See, I started from soaps,
Okay.
and I myself compared soap and face wash. Firstly, I have tried on myself,
Okay.
and like I have a soap and I have a face wash. But face wash, I'm using the face wash, and I don't have that much. How can I say? Like I don't feel that much good after using face wash. But when I use my own soap, and I know it's organic, so it has lot of good effects on my skin.
I mean, you
So
can
first,
see the immediate effect right after applying.
yeah. After that, after I tried on myself, then only I have confidence. I can sell my product, and I can wish.
Okay. I mean, that does make sense.
Yeah,
That actually does
I
make sense.
did. Yeah, I did that, and my clients was actually very. They have appreciated me that yeah, we have a good effects on our skin.
So, good feedbacks from customers. Now, talking about customers and talking about, people who are actually purchasing your product and they're really happy with it. Now, let's just understand about how many products are being, taken out, how many products are being sold, what are the numbers like on an average?
Uh, I started from soap, then I have sold around five 400 to 500 soaps, not online, on retail,
On
on
retail.
my own customers. Yeah, because
Okay.
I haven't started online,
Okay.
and I have decided to make some more products like body butter, creams, and shower gel. But due to my license, I couldn't able to go further, and I am
Okay.
actually waiting for my license. And then I'll start with Amazon, with all the online sites, and digital advertise my product. I've decided that.
Okay, so we would be expecting shower gels and various other products that would be still in the R&D process, I believe, and are to be
Yeah.
yet to be launched on the market. So
Yeah.
that's fascinating. That's amazing. So, how did you start up with this? Did you always wanted to do organic products? Something related to skincare, right from the beginning, or did you just get into it later at later point of your life?
See, I am a Chinese interpreter, and I was doing job, but when lockdown happened, I lost my job, and I have decided earlier that I'll start with some clothing or skincare brand, or I'll shop from China and I'll sell it in India. But then when lockdown happened, I've been searching some more products online, and I saw that organic is something people would like to go for now, not chemical based. So then my mind striked, and I started off.
I think one thing that we all come across because is the doubt, is the dilemma that people have whether to choose an organic product or a synthesized product that's available on the market. The problem with the synthesized product is we don't understand and we do not know what exactly are the ingredients. Now, when we say organic product, we exactly know what is in that soap or in that shower gel. But when it comes to a synthetic material or a synthetic product that we get on the market, there are so many chemicals, there's so many additional things that are unaware to the customers, that customers do not have an idea about, which is completely not necessary but might have side effects. So I think
Yeah.
that's why people should be using organic products more and more, because it is, and it's very healthy, it's very necessary that you take care of your skin, you take care of yourself, but in a very, very precise way. The synthesized product, I believe, will give you instant results, but organic or Ayurvedic products will have a long term benefit, right?
Right.
I mean, like that. That's something that I think people should understand. Anyway, quickly, two things that I want you to wrap this whole thing up with. First of all, I mean, it's highly recommendable that you had gone through a lot of struggle and you are actually starting up. You're actually going somewhere with this whole Tatva organic products. I want you to say a little bit about what kept you going, little inspirational things that you highly admire for young entrepreneurs who are listening to this podcast right now. And secondly, I want you to say how we could reach out to you via Instagram to order the first and fresh product from Tatva Handmade Organics.
I actually didn't understand your last point. Can you just pardon me? I'm sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
Because your voice is cracking again and again.
Okay. Maybe there's a signal issue. Anyway, firstly, I want you to say a little bit about, your little mantra or your inspiration, the things that you admire for young entrepreneurs who are listening to this podcast right now, so that, they can take away a little inspiration from what you do.
Okay. I got inspired from organic things. Firstly, I've tried one product from which I buy from Amazon. Then I decided that I should go for something which make people's skin more good. So then I got inspired and I've started that.
Lovely. And I want you to say a little bit about the process through which we can reach out to you and order the fresh piece of Tatva Handmade Organics.
You can give me order like on Instagram, and then, but there is a limitation. Like if a person is ordering one soap from Chennai, so it can't be possible. So we want you to order on Instagram.
So it's confined to a particular locality?
No, I can deliver in
all over India.
And
okay.
Yeah, I used to post them.
Oh, I mean, like anything works. As long as the product is getting delivered, and I already heard it from you that you have got customer reviews. Well, that'll be all, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming up on air and talking about handmade organic products. It's been an absolute pleasure. Please do take care of yourself. COVID situation, you know how the situation is outside. So I hope you're doing well. I hope you take care. I hope all the best and more conversations I'm looking forward to, and hope you huge success to Tatva Handmade Organics. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for listening to our podcast. We will see you in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned, be home, and be safe.